Hey everybody, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have an unboxing video for you. We have two different companies that we're going to be looking at. The first one is Heffy Doodle. This is my first order from Heffy Doodle, and I am really excited about the things that I have in this box. One of the stamp sets I have in here, I have wanted for like 2 years. I think it was released in like 2021, and I wanted it since then, and I'm so excited to have it. And I just never got around to getting it. So very, very excited. Now I will say that the reason I have this fabulous pink box is because Artistry is going to be doing a collaboration with Heffy Doodle. So thank you so much to Artistry for setting this up. Thank you so much to Heffy Doodle for letting us shop your amazing products and pick things out that we want to work with for our sublimation projects. I can't wait to show you what my plans are for these things. It's going to be fantastic. And you'll see me use these products for other projects as well, like card making and whatnot. But you'll definitely see a bunch of things for Artistry sublimation projects too. So thank you to both companies. I really appreciate it. It's amazing. So let's take a look. Oh, by the way, the collaboration is going to be in November and December. So all 4 of my Artistry projects will have Heffy Doodle products used. So let's take a look. I'm so excited. I did open this earlier because I was too excited. So forgive me, but oh my gosh, it's even better than I expected. So I got this cute little Merry Christmas as an extra little freebie, which was so nice. Thank you. And it's like they know me. I love flamingos. Hello, crafty friend. This is going to get hung up on my wall of like random cool stuff. I just tape them up to my wall and I get to look at them all the time because they're right over my desk. Okay, you guys, this, I'm going to move the box out of the way. This is the stamp set I've wanted for like 2 years. It's called Pasta La Vista. Now, first of all, the fact that it says Pasta La Vista, baby, is hilarious because Terminator 2 is one of my favorite movies of all time. I've watched it like 100 times. I love it. I can recite it all. But truly, like, it's just so funny. I love a good pun, and I'm a carbaholic, so I'll take pasta pretty much any time, unless there's pizza being offered. I'll take pizza over pasta. But, you know, look at the... I digress because I'm so excited. This is how you know I'm excited, because I start going off on these tangents. Look at these pastas. Like, every shape that you can think of, and then there's cheese. And then there's these faces with the hand and the feet and a bow. Like, come on. Look at this. I want to pasta time away with you. So funny. You are the macaroni to my cheese. Anything is pastable. Holy macaroni, how old are you now? Can I just say that since this set arrived the other day, I keep saying anything is pastable, and my kids want to choke me. They think it's funny, but they're like, all right, Ma, we know you love this set, but I can't even. I have never seen pasta stamps before, and I'm so glad I have this now, because it's hilarious. To continue with the food theme, we have Veggie Patch. And I was unsure as to how big the veggies were going to be, and I'm so pleasantly surprised. Like, this is a really good size pumpkin. Let's get my ruler. This pumpkin is almost 2 inches wide and 2 inches tall. That's awesome. Like, that's a really good size pumpkin. Look at the corn, there's a carrot, and again, my kids think I'm crazy, but I want to put the glasses on the carrot as like a goof, because carrots are supposed to help you see better, but maybe there's something up with this carrot that he's not able to see. I don't know. This is just my weird brain thinking. And the sentiment's hilarious. Oh my gourd. Hello, pumpkin. You amaze me. Love you, veggie, much. Congratulations, and you are an arbor genius, which is so funny for the eggplant. Oh my gosh. And then you have little vines that you can use. So stinking cute, I can't. Okay. Then we have 2x2 safari animals. Now look, I don't use just regular animals very often. Like, typically they have like hats on or something. I mean, you guys know what kind of stuff I work with, but like, these spoke to me, and I'll tell you why. because there are 2 capybaras on here. Like, come on. It is so rare to find capybara stamps, and I am really excited. And I have ideas for this. I know what I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be amazing. But like, the rest of these stamps fill in holes that I have in my collection of critters, right? Because they're not like doing something, right? They're just hanging out. They're not dressed up, and I'm so excited about that. I love the toucans. It's so cute, but seriously, look at that face. I mean, don't you just want to hug him? So with that, I'm going to do like a holiday themed project for Artistry. I'm not going to tell you exactly what, but that's where this set comes in, called Koality Hugs. And I love the koalas. They're adorable, especially this guy. But this present is going to work really well with what I have in my head for these capybaras. So you'll have to be on the lookout for that. I don't know if I'm going to have that in November or December, so you're going to have to wait a while, but hopefully you'll stick around and find out. So wishing you a Koality birthday, sending you high Koality hugs, sending you fuzzy cuddles, koalified to party, koal me sometime, and this is my favorite, cereal chiller. That's totally me. Cereal chiller. Love this. Oh my gosh, this guy is so cute. And then this one can hold the phone. I can't. Ridiculously cute. Then I have these dies. These are called, let me check my list. Hold on. Forest Leaves dies. Aren't they great? And you might be like, well, Alison, how are you going to use that for sublimation? You'll see. It'll be in my tutorial. I don't want to give away the farm, guys. You'll have to just check it out when it's done. But they'll be used with my Artistry stuff. Then I have, this is called Leafy Laurel Circle Dies. Leafy Laurel Circle Dies. And I love this. I'm going to use the heck out of that even when I'm just doing paper crafting. It's just so pretty. And I like all of these extras. I love the berries. I like that you can die cut this branch and then pop berries on top, or flowers, or whatever. Like, it's just, it's a really well thought out but small and well priced die set. And then last but not least, we have the Fiesta Stencil. This is really cool because you can do the whole thing, or you can break it up into sections that you want. It's easy to repeat this pattern because, you know, it's a geometric, so you could just line it up and either, you know, scoochy something this way or up or down, but it's going to be super versatile and a lot of fun to ink up. So I love this. It's a great stencil. So that's what I got from Heffy Doodle. And again, thank you so much to Heffy Doodle for collaborating with Artistry. I can't wait to start playing with these things. So now, all right, guys. Every year I get super excited about the Lawn Fawn Halloween release. Last year I went bananas because of the cats with the cauldron and the bats and all the things. Oh, wait, were the cats the year before? The cats might have been the year before. Last year were the bats, but every year I get really excited, and this year is no different. So I placed an order with A Cherry on Top Crafts. I love this company. I've been purchasing things from them for many years. I think they were the company that I got my first set of Distress Oxides in. You remember when they came out in like bundles? The bundle 1 I got from A Cherry on Top. It's a great small company. They're located in Michigan, and I just like shopping with them. So I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. You know that I had to get these wolves because, I mean, there's just so many things you can do with these wolves. And then when you pair them with the bats and the cats and anything else that you can think of for Halloween, and then I can use them for non-Halloween because, you know, critters. We were just talking about critters. I can't. I'm so excited. Okay. So, of course, I had to get, this is the wolf before and afters. Now, I don't have the before and afters die set, but it doesn't matter. I'm still going to use these guys because this is everything. This howling wolf is like my dogs. My dogs love to howl at things. It's hilarious. And the sentiments. Howl, you doing? Ow! And then I love you forever. How will always be your friend. I mean, this is just worth the price of admission right there. Like, I can't. All right, we'll do this one in a second. So then I have, of course, what's this called? Wild Wolves. This guy's howling too. Like, I love that there's rocks. The tree you can use all year for all sorts of things. I mean, like I said, I'm certainly not going to just use these for Halloween. I'm not. I'm glad you're in my pack. It's your day. Enjoy to the fullest. I miss you. I love you. A howl lot. Then there's a howl here. There's another one. There's a moon. This says wag. And there's a bird. I can turn it into a crow to sit on the tree. Or we can make a whole plethora of crows and make it a murder of crows. I just can't. I can't. I'm so excited. And it's going to be so great to use them with my bats. Like, I can hang the bats off the tree. I don't know. It's going to be a lot of good stuff coming out of here with these wolves. They're so cute. They're so cute. I love them. Okay, so then we'll do this in a second. I really never treat myself to cover plate dies. They are not the most economical thing to purchase. Well, I shouldn't say that. That's the wrong word. They don't fit in everybody's budget, and they don't typically fit in mine. But because I'm a tree hugger, I love trees all the time. I always work with, tree imagery and whatever. I like to paint trees, and I thought that this cover plate die was something I really needed to have. I love the stitching around the edge. This is certainly not Halloween to me. This is just all year round tree. Then you add in all the other good stuff. You've got a couple of rocks. You've got some extra pieces of grass, owls, a moon. And then you get into the more Halloween stuff. But for Alison, it's kind of just every day. You have a ghost, and then there's a backer piece to the ghost, and 2 tombstones. I mean, this is like made for me. This is made for me. So I'm going to be using this all the time. I can't wait to turn these into like birch trees. We could put leaves on here. Oh, there's so many things. It's going to be a great shaker card. Like, I mean, come on. And then Rhiannon lost her mind when she saw this set. When she saw the narwhal and the moose, and then she saw the holiday bug, she's like, Mom, you have to get this. You have to get this. And I said, you know what? I do. Because these are super quick to color. And then if you take a simple rectangle die, I'll probably do a video on this. I know I've done them in past Facebook Lives. You color it up, you use a simple rectangle die behind it, you turn it into a shaker card, and then you have like an amazing little shaker card for Christmas or winter in general. Like, you can totally use these for like winter birthday cards or whatever. Like, they're just so cute. But these bugs, I mean, look at this guy. He's like Slimy from Sesame Street. You remember Slimy? So cute. And this one's got a candy cane. And then to go with that, I really liked the sentiment set that went along with it. I'm sorry, I didn't mention the name. This is Simply Celebrate Winter Critters. I have almost the entire collection of Simply Celebrate. This is the first critter set from that collection I have, but I use them a lot. They're just great. And then this is the Simply Celebrate Winter Critter Add-On. The sentiments are really good. They're great for inside cards. Obviously, they fit inside of all of these speech bubbles if you want them to. Bugs and Kisses, use it all year. You're sweet, use it all year. What'll I do without you? All year. I mean, these are just so much more than just Christmas and winter. Sending cheer. I mean, that's great for like somebody that's just kind of down in the dumps. I wouldn't use it for a sympathy card per se, but like if somebody's just kind of down, you could just pop that onto something and it's perfect. So when I saw this, oh wait, where's my favorite? You're gnarly? Come on. I mean, as a child of the 90s, like, I said gnarly all the time. Joyous narwhal? Please. Like, this was a must. And you might be surprised that I didn't get the large bat, but it's on my wish list. Someday I'll get the large bat. But I needed to make a decision. I had a limited budget, and I think that my choices here are just perfect because I do have the baby bats from last year and I'm very happy with them. So eventually I'll get the big bat, but for now this is what I got from a cherry on top. They shipped super fast, and it's a great company. So if you haven't shopped with them before, all of the links for these items will be below in my description box, as well as the links for the Heffy Doodle stuff that I have. And I hope that you look forward to seeing what I'm going to make with this stuff. I can't wait. Like, I'm going crazy because I just want to ink this stuff up and cut things out and just play. So that's about it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this little haul video. I'll be back real soon with something else. I don't know what, but we'll see. Meanwhile, you can always check out my blog. I have a ton of stuff over there that isn't on YouTube. I have a ton of things on Instagram. So I will see you guys all very soon. I hope that you have a wonderful crafty day. Be well, stay safe, peace out.